My name is Koki Muli. I am a member of the Institute of Certified Public Secretaries. I'm also a senior counsel, the Dean of the School of Law of Southeastern Kenya University, and I'm here to encourage people to attend, especially members of the Institute and the people in the entire governance profession. We have our 30th annual international conference of the ICS, which will be held from 21st to 24th April 2026, that will take place in Mombasa, Sarova, Whitesands Hotel, on the theme Resilient Governance for Thriving Economies. I'm going to be a member of one of the panels. We will be discussing restoring trust in electoral institutions, and I would like to encourage all the members of the Institute and the people who are in the areas of public governance to attend, especially for the members of the Institute and also non-members. I hope to see you. Safe travels to Mombasa.